Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're looking at the SEALIGHT Handheld Car Vacuum, a portable powerhouse designed for both car and home use. Now, before you roll your eyes at yet another vacuum review, let's dig into what sets this one apart. With its sleek design and 21,000 pH suction power, it's clear this model means business when it comes to tackling those stubborn messes. Let's see if it really delivers the kind of performance you need from a handheld vacuum. The SEALIGHT vacuum is packed with features that make it stand out in a crowded market. First, we've got a mighty 21,000 pH of suction power. That's 75% more suction than your average handheld vacuum, which means it's geared up to pick up sand, dust, and debris from both your car and home without breaking a sweat. It's powered by a high-speed brushless motor, something that's become increasingly common in newer models. What this means for you, the user, is a more efficient, longer-lasting motor that delivers consistent performance. But more suction isn't always the full story, right? Let's talk about how this vacuum actually works in practice. One of the most talked about features of the SEALIGHT is its innovative dual battery system, which allows up to 30 minutes of continuous use. This is double the runtime compared to many similar handheld models, which often cap out around 15 minutes. For a vacuum that's focused on portability, this extended battery life makes it perfect for a quick, thorough cleaning session without worrying about it running out mid-task. In terms of storage, the SEALIGHT features a larger dust cup, 180 millis, up 50% from earlier designs. This is a subtle but important upgrade as it reduces the need for frequent emptying, especially for those who tend to vacuum larger areas or have messier pets. Additionally, it boasts a precision steel filter, which is washable and reusable, ensuring that your vacuum stays in top condition for longer. Now, when it comes to maneuverability, this vacuum weighs just 2.6 pounds. That's light enough for one-handed use. So whether you're cleaning between car seats or tidying up hard-to-reach places in your home, it's a breeze to handle. You won't have to worry about your arm cramping up after just a few minutes of cleaning. And if you're wondering about storage, don't fret. The SEALIGHT comes with a convenient storage box that keeps everything neatly organized and ready for the next use. But let's get down to the real-world experience. When we took the SEALIGHT for a spin, it performed admirably across several surfaces, including hard floors, upholstery, and even carpet. The vacuum is effective on pet hair, something that's often a problem for handheld vacuums. It picks up fine dust and crumbs with ease on hard floors, and we found it quite efficient at lifting embedded dirt and pet hair from rugs as well. But where it really shines is in tight spaces. The narrow nozzle attachments make it simple to get into cracks and crevices, so cleaning the car is less of a chore. Speaking of attachments, the SEALIGHT includes 7 different nozzles, which expand its versatility. Whether you need a crevice tool for tight spaces, a brush for upholstery, or a blowing function for things like air mattresses, the SEALIGHT has you covered. The additional blowing function is a nice touch, especially if you're someone who often inflates outdoor gear like air mattresses or beach toys. However, the vacuum is slightly less effective on long, tangled hair. If you have pets that shed a lot of long fur, you might need to clear the brush roll more frequently than you'd like. Now let's talk about noise. While the SEALIGHT is on the quieter end compared to some other handheld models, it's not exactly whisper quiet. You'll be able to clean your car or home without feeling like you're disturbing the whole neighborhood, but don't expect it to be silent. It's a reasonable noise level for a vacuum with this kind of suction power. The build quality is solid, but not quite what you'd expect from a premium product. The plastic is lightweight and feels sturdy enough for regular use, but it doesn't have that ultra-durable, heavy-duty feel. Still, it's well made for the price range and does a good job holding up to everyday tasks. Maintenance is simple. Empty the dust cup when it's full, clean the filter regularly, and clear the brush roll of any debris. If you're someone who tends to forget to do that, just be mindful, as a clogged brush roll could affect performance. Now, is the SEALIGHT worth the price? Given its suction power, versatility, and the inclusion of 2 batteries, it offers a good balance between performance and affordability. It's definitely a strong contender in the handheld vacuum market, especially if you have a smaller space or need something portable. If you compare it to other vacuums in this price range, like the Black & Decker Dustbuster or Dyson's handheld models, the SEALIGHT holds its ground, especially with its extra runtime and range of attachments. However, if you're looking for something that can tackle deep pile carpets or handle larger, more demanding spaces, you might find this vacuum a bit limiting. But for pet owners, car detailers, or those just looking for a quick and effective way to clean tight spaces, the SEALIGHT is a fantastic choice. In comparison to other models, you'll see that the SEALIGHT excels in battery life, suction power, and attachment variety, but it may not be as strong on noise reduction or handling longer hair. If you're looking for something that balances power and portability, it's tough to beat this vacuum in its category. Overall, the SEALIGHT Handheld Car Vacuum is a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable, portable cleaning tool. It offers powerful suction, long battery life, and the flexibility to clean a variety of surfaces and spaces. It's ideal for those who need a lightweight, efficient vacuum for cars, homes, or offices. But if you have a larger house or more demanding cleaning needs, you may want to consider something more heavy-duty. If you're interested in picking one up, you can find the link in the comments box. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Until then, keep it clean and tidy with Reviews Inside TV.